Running heavy apps on traditional desktops can feel slow. But with a GPU-backed virtual desktop, everything runs much faster. Let's explore 14 tools that run best on a GPU-accelerated virtual desktop. Architects and engineers depend on AutoCAD. With GPU power, large 2D and 3D models load quicker, and design changes happen in real time. SolidWorks is big in product design. On GPU desktops, simulations and generative design run smoothly without stressing local devices. Video editors love the difference. In Premiere Pro, scrubbing through 4K footage or exporting Final Cuts feels fast and effortless. Mac users with Final Cut Pro get the same boost. Projects render quickly, and edits stay fluid even on lighter devices. Animation tools like Maya really shine. Character rigging and VFX rendering that used to take hours now finish in a fraction of the time. And for 3ds Max users, GPU desktops speed up lighting, textures, and detailed architectural walkthroughs. Data scientists use TensorFlow to train models. With GPUs, big datasets run faster and experiments move quicker. PyTorch users get the same advantage: smooth debugging and real-time visualization without needing a supercomputer on your desk. Game developers rely on Unity for VR and multiplayer worlds. On GPU desktops, testing and refining feels seamless, even with complex assets. CryEngine delivers stunning realism, and GPUs give developers the power to render lifelike worlds without the weight. Navisworks helps construction teams spot clashes and review 3D models. With GPU desktops, it runs smoothly in the office or on-site. Rhino 3D is popular with architects and designers. With GPU backing, parametric designs and solid modeling run without delays. Finance teams run analytics with Kinetica. GPU acceleration makes real-time simulations and geospatial analysis much faster. And with NVIDIA Rapids, financial services detect fraud and process massive datasets at speed, keeping decisions real-time. So whether it's design, video, animation, AI, gaming, construction, or finance, GPU-backed virtual desktops take performance to the next level. Ace Cloud Hosting offers GPU-powered cloud desktops for these applications, enabling secure, high-performance 2D, 3D, animation, and VFX workflows from anywhere, with infrastructure optimized to match your team's production requirements.